How to get vaccines at the Allegheny County Health Department's immunization clinic. This video explains why vaccines are important and how to get important vaccinations for children and adults living in or around Allegheny County, Pennsylvania, at the Allegheny County Health Department's immunization clinic. Vaccines are important medicines to help keep children and adults healthy and protect them from serious illnesses like measles, polio, whooping cough, and others that can spread quickly in schools or other places in a community. Most countries around the world recommend the same kinds of vaccines for babies, children, and adults. However, the timetable for when these vaccines are given can differ from country to country. The differences from country to country can depend on which diseases are present in an area, patterns of the disease, availability of vaccines, or other factors. When someone moves to a new country, public health experts recommend checking with local doctors about the vaccines that are required to stay healthy. For example, your kids may have received a yellow fever vaccine in your home country when they were 9 months old, but this vaccine is not given to babies in the United States if they are not planning to travel overseas. In addition to being important for health, for immigrants, vaccines are also important because the U.S. government and many other countries' governments require immigrants show proof of certain vaccines when applying for different immigration statuses. For example, in the United States, certain vaccines are required for those applying for a green card. The reason governments require this is because vaccines help keep communities healthy. For adults, an additional reason for the importance of vaccines is that some jobs may require them. Some jobs that often require their workers to be vaccinated include jobs in the medical field or jobs that require the staff to work with vulnerable populations, such as the elderly or young children. Vaccines protect the workers and the clients. For children, vaccines are also important because in the United States, public schools are required by law to check vaccination records. In Pennsylvania, children must have certain vaccines before they are allowed to attend school. This is because schools must follow public health laws to protect all students. Some children at school may be very young, have health problems, or cannot receive vaccines for medical reasons. Vaccination rules help keep everyone safe and help prevent disease outbreaks. If a child does not have the required vaccines, the school may delay their start date or not allow them to attend until the vaccines are given. If your child cannot start school on time, this can create problems. Your child may miss lessons, miss time with classmates, and feel left out. Parents may also need to miss work or arrange childcare. It is also illegal for children aged 6 to 17 to not attend school in Pennsylvania. Therefore, if a child is missing school due to not being vaccinated, the child and parents can get in trouble with the law. If a child misses school for a non-excused reason, for example, if they miss school because they didn't feel like going, as opposed to needing to go to a doctor's appointment, this is called truancy in English and is not allowed by law. Legal consequences for truancy can include fines, community service, or placement of the child into foster care. Therefore, for health and legal reasons, it is important to get your children vaccinated. There are many places you can receive vaccines, such as a doctor's office, a pediatric clinic, a county health department, and more. Some vaccines, such as the flu vaccine, are also often available at pharmacies. For people living in Pittsburgh or Allegheny County, Pennsylvania, one great option for where to go to get vaccines is the Allegheny County Health Department Immunization Clinic. You can Google ACHD Immunization Clinic to ensure you have the most updated information, such as the current hours. At the time of this recording, the clinic is open on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Fridays from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m., closed from noon to 1 p.m. for lunch, with the last appointment at 3:30 p.m. On Wednesdays, it is open from 9 a.m. to noon, with the last appointment at 11:30 a.m. And on Thursday, it is open from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m., with the last appointment at 6:30 p.m. Thursday's later hours make Thursday a good choice for those who work during the week. The clinic may also have Saturday hours during some parts of the year. The website will reflect if Saturday hours become available or unavailable.
The clinic's entrance is listed as
the Hartley Rose Building, located at 425 First Avenue, first floor, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, 15219. And their phone number is 412-578-8062. Please note that because this is downtown, if you arrive by car, parking can be difficult to find and expensive. Make sure to follow parking laws to ensure you do not get ticketed or towed. You can call to make an appointment, which is the method the clinic prefers and which will ensure you can get your vaccines when you go to your appointment. As another option, you can walk in anytime, and the clinic will give you vaccines if they have availability. This is a large building, and it has multiple entrances. We recommend walking to the entrance on Cherry Way. After you walk through the entrance on Cherry Way, you'll find an elevator which will take you to the 4th floor. You'll follow signs that look like this until you find the clinic. The clinic accepts most health insurance, but some vaccines may be free and the others are low cost. When you go to the clinic, bring a form of identification for the person receiving vaccines, any vaccine records you may have from your home country, your health insurance card, if you have it, and cash or a payment card. If you do not have vaccine records, tell the clinic staff. They can help decide what vaccines you or your child needs. If your child received a vaccine in your home country, but you don't have a record of it, the medical staff might vaccinate the child again so that there is a record for the school. After you or your child receives vaccines, ask for a printed vaccine record. Give a copy to your child's school or your work if applicable. Keep a copy of your and your children's vaccine records in a safe place at home as well. Remember, getting vaccines helps adults and children stay healthy, start school or a new job on time, and succeed in their new community. It also helps protect other children and families. Thank you for watching our video.